Hello students and welcome back. First of all, I want to thank all the students because of the so many DMs I am receiving and the queries which I am getting. I make sure that I personally address them and solve them. So do continue with your support and let's begin with our today's revision. 2 MCQs in 2 minutes and also I have a bonus MCQ. So first question. There is a 60-year-old male who is having atrial fibrillation and is on warfarin and he has a fall and has sustained a hemorrhage. Now we have to reverse it. How will you do it? So you have to remember that warf reversal requires a special blood substitute. And how do you remember that? So you need to know vitamin K dependent factors, and which are they? Vitamin K dependent factors are factor 2, 7, 9 and 10. In that, factor 7 can be included or is available separately also. So combination of all these 4 factors 2, 7, 9, 10 is known as PCC, that is prothrombin complex concentrate. And how does prothrombin work? As I always teach, break the word prothrombin. So we want a thrombus to be formed. So prothrombin will help in activation, or I should say deactivation of warfarin and help in clot formation. So the answer to this question will be PCC. Now second question. So you are asked to manage a blood bank. You are given all the components and which one will you use first? So for that you just need to know the shelf life or the expiry, and as you know, the one which is more early to be expired, that will be used first. So first, platelets 5 din and it is stored at 25 degrees Celsius. Second, PRBC. PRBC can be stored for 6 weeks and the temperature used is 6 degrees Celsius. Last but not the least, FFP and cryo. Both are stored at -18 and -30 and both have a shelf life for 1 year. I have made a detailed reel on this same thing. If you want, you can check it out. So the answer to this question will be platelets because they have the earliest expiry, that is the shortest half-life. Now the bonus question. Cryoprecipitate, it's stored at what degree temperature? So the answer to this question is -30. I'm giving you one more important point. Cryoprecipitate is a rich source of 2 things. What are those? Fibrinogen and factor 8. So in case of factor 8 deficiency and conditions with decreased fibrinogen, cryoprecipitate is used. So I hope you have enjoyed today's video. If you have any comments, any queries or anywhere you are stuck in your NEET PG, do DM me or mention in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.